Ensure your child's safety with the Regalo Easy Step 38. 5-inch wide walk-through baby gate. This gate expands to fit openings between 29 to 34 and 35 to 38. 5 inches wide. Setup is easy with the included 6-inch extension kit and pressure mount spindle rods. Remember to use wall cups to keep the gate secure. Never use the gate at the top of stairs to prevent falls. The durable all-steel design of this gate is perfect for doorways, hallways, and bottom of stairs. Certified to meet safety standards, it includes safety lock features and 4 wall cups for added security. For larger openings, additional extensions are sold separately. The walk-through door feature adds convenience, and the gate can be easily removed for storage. Designed for children aged 6 to 24 months, this gate is also suitable for pets. Keep your little ones and furry friends safe with this reliable and versatile baby gate. Prioritize safety at home with the Regalo Easy Step Baby Gate. Installation is simple following the manufacturer's instructions. Remember to measure your opening to ensure a proper fit. With its adjustable width and included extension kit, this gate is ideal for various spaces. The steel construction ensures durability, and the walk-through door adds convenience. Don't compromise on safety. The Regalo Easy Step Baby Gate includes multiple safety features and is perfect for children and pets. Invest in peace of mind for your family today.